Yo, what's going on, everyone? So, just a quick little toy shop haul and a little unboxing of a mail call. So, I went back to that toy shop out of a little ways out of town, and I picked up two cars, a couple of first edition cars. So, anyways, let's get into that. It's a '98 first edition Pikes Peak Celica. Picked this up for $30. Is that toy shop that I did a video on a couple months ago? Went back there. So, from '98, first edition. A Toyota on the top, BF Goodrich, Pennzoil. Thought that was cool. And there's quite a bit of cool stuff there, but I was sticking to the unmarked things that are only $3. Only got so much to spend. And then this other thing is a first edition. Is 2004 first edition Cool One. In white, the ice cream cone on there is a Cool One. There's a motor in like the middle here. But the reason I picked this up was because if anyone's ever seen the movie Killer Clowns from Outer Space, an old movie from the 80s, that's what this thing reminds me of. Reminds me of that movie. So that's kind of why I picked this up. And it's a first edition. There was another version there that looked kind of cool, but I went and grabbed this one because it's the first edition one. And then something not die-cast, but I picked it up at that store. There it had a bin of McDonald's Happy Meal toys for like $1 a piece, and small soldiers. Saw this in there, I was like, yeah, for $1, absolutely. And then check this out. It does have moving legs and arms, and then this little part lifts up too to reveal like where the computer chip would go. That's kind of cool. Pick that up. So those two cars in that was $7 plus tax. So not too bad from the toy shop that I went to. And then a few nights ago, I ordered, won a couple bids on Whatnot. So got a little box here. It was already open, but I had to kind of put it back together a little bit so to see this awesome packaging. So this is in the bottom of the box. This is from the seller, HW Collector and Wifey. As you can see, one of the items I got was $8. And then the other item I got was, I paid $6. There's a little praying mantis on this little sticker they put on here. If anyone's been on their stream at all. Yeah, they got like these little stuffed mantis things in the background. But anyways, let's get into what I got. And then look at this. Inside of the package, I could possibly this. And then bubble wrapped, which I did already. This was tighter than this. Like I said, I did already open this already. So the first thing that I ended up getting, something I've been trying to win on there, because I never found it in the store. Anytime I catch a fresh drop of this is already gone. So we have S2000 from the Villain set. Yeah. So I ended up paying $8 on this. Finally won a bid on this. I've tried in a few different streams to win this, and I always get sniped at the last second. So managed to get this by kind of doing the same thing, sort of. Paying $8, which is about the average resale value on eBay. but I'd rather have picked it up off of Whatnot. So I ended up getting on there. This is, of course, Johnny Tran's car from the first Fast and Furious movie at Race Wars when he races Jesse. Honda badge on top there. Headlights. Tail lights and Honda badging. And this is the one in the set that's metal base. And it's the one that's always gone first. So, had to get it by other means. And then the other thing I picked up, paid $6 for, is this right here, which came in a protector because it was already in one when they were selling it, so it got to come with this protector in here. And it's a first edition, new for 2015. Got some cotton balls in there. And the tape. So I'd say out of the handful of streamers I bought from on Whatnot, it's probably the best package I've had from any of them. This is a first edition of the McLaren P1. Paid $6 for this, and then I did a little Google searching, and the average resale price on this is around $9. So I got this for a few dollars less than what it goes for. So yeah, nice. Just a quick little video today. So finally got the S2000 and a few first editions. And then this little bonus of the little small soldier here. The movie Small Soldiers. Yeah. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.